Hi everyone. Today we are going to change the brakes on the CF Moto Uforce XL 1000. Make sure you follow us on our YouTube channel, CF Moto Crew 352. I'm going to show you guys when you know it's time to change your brakes. So we're going to crank the buggy. Wait for it to load here, the screen. See this? It's a red circle with an exclamation point with parentheses around it. That is your brake sensor. That means it's time to change your brakes. I'm at 1,913 miles, so almost 2,000 miles, and it's time to change put our first set of brakes on. So next up, we'll be showing the steps to do that. Hold on, here we go.
All right, so on the back side, you have to take this bolt loose here, and then pull the caliper off. Then you can get to your pads. Lift on there.
All right, we still have a little bit of pad left on the back side. The back side does have...
Not there, though.
Oops, not right there. The back side is the smaller pads, to let everybody know. The bigger pads go on the front. The smaller ones go on the back. So I'm going to show you the comparison. No brakes, brake. See the thickness of those? Same as the front. You're just putting the brake pads in place.
All right, now if you look, you'll see that you can't put this on there because the piston's pushed out. Well, if you look at the piston, you see it's got these two teeth on it. So the special tool's got those two on it. You put those in there, right? Now, my special tool here, this brake caliper tool, doesn't fit in here because it's automotive. It's for a car, not a side-by-side. So, we're about to rig this thing up and make it work. We're going to stick a screwdriver in there. I'm going to pry on this screwdriver and push it in while my sister twists that right there, and it'll put this piston back in. Once you twist this in clockwise and pry on that a little bit to give it some pressure, it'll slide all the way back in like this, and then as you can see, it fits over it. Now, you can go to AutoZone and buy the proper tool for $10. That's a 45-minute ride. And we weren't making that ride, so we made it work. Which, obviously, if you're as smart as we are, you can make it work also. So this is how you do the back brakes on a CF Moto.
Those are 14mm bolts on the back?
Yes.
10 on the front?
Yes. Well, the plastic pieces are 10.
Oh, the plastic pieces were 10 on the front. And then these were 14.
These are 14.
But you have to use a wrench because the socket won't fit in there.
I even said on the front that it was 15mm, but I was wrong. They were 14.
Okay. Well, we can adjust that. And that's that. You just put the lug nuts back on after you're done there. You're good to go again.
Well, you need to pump the brakes up and make sure that all the calipers are getting tight and moving. And then go for a test drive. Make sure your brakes work. Don't trust your work. Go for a test drive. Make sure they work. Because you're going to jump up and say, oh, yeah, go ahead, son. Jump in there and take off. And then what happens? He runs into a tree. It's all Dad's fault, really.
Yep, so we're going to take it for a test ride next, in our next video, part 2.